Hey, so my hair is already pre-sectioned here. I just got through taking my Bantu knots down. So I have big sections and I have some hair already sectioned off with rubber bands. So in order to make it easier, take some unused braiding hair or some new one. I had some unused and a rubber band, and you're going to rubber band those pre-sectioned sections in your hair. That kind of makes it easier, especially if you don't have a lot of experience braiding. Someone like me, I don't have a lot of experience braiding, so it kind of keeps your hair easily sectioned off and it helps the hair attach a lot easier. So go ahead and do that and proceed with your braiding hair. All right, so now that your hair is sectioned off in rubber bands, you are now going to take your braiding hair. I have to untwist my 2-strand twist right now. And basically, this is going to be the third section when I'm starting my hair. So take your hair, separate it if you need to, and you're going to take the hair that you've now sectioned off and wrap it around your real hair and your rubber band. Your real hair is going to be the third strand of hair, per se, the third batch of hair when you are 3-strand twisting, commonly braiding your hair. And if you don't know how to three-strand braid your hair, look up tutorials on this. It's really not hard, but if it gets too hard, stop, take a minute, and you're doing big sections, so this is going to make it a lot easier than individual braids, traditional individual braids. So you're just going to basically wrap that hair around, braid all the way down, and when your hair, your real hair, runs out, you're going to make a third strand from the other 2 strands. And so you can just interloop that through your fingers and braid on down. So keep going here until you get to the end. And then I'm actually going to secure the ends of this braid with another rubber band. Just it keeps it simple and it's fun. I'm not a seasoned braider. I usually get my braids professionally done, but I thought this is a super easy DIY style. So I know if I can do it, you can do it too. Yes, so our hairstyle is finished. Go ahead and give it a twirl. Subscribe to our channel. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And have fun with your new cute DIY braid style.